So, welcome ladies and gentlemen here in Dhobi Ghat. This is the washing here. They washing here the clothes for Mumbai. Look at this. Hops. Like this. Hop. Wow. It's just wow. Interesting. Very. I'm surprised they right here. So really interesting. So welcome to Mumbai. Hello. Hello. Wow. Just wow.
अरे मम्मी रे चुड़ैल
और शादी का अगले साल का
So welcome to Mumbai, ladies and gentlemen. But this behind me, beautiful, nice and fresh washed clothes. Nice. I like this style as well. Not as bad as you think, maybe. I don't know. Different types, like in Europe or other countries, of course, but not too bad. You can smell the fresh clothes and the fresh. Look at that, the huge washing machine. So you can smell the fresh powder on the clothes. It's good, yeah. Oh my god. Wow. So very soon I go up to the bridge to see how it looks this side, but wow, look at that, how many clothes is over there, and they just wash and dry it. Wow. Very, very interesting. What can I say? Yeah, never seen like this before in my life, so it's a good experience. Let's have a look more here. Maybe we can see something more as well. Oh my god, look at that huge washing machine. Wow. Just wow. No.
ऐसा आदमी को मजबूत
Sure. So, welcome to Mumbai, ladies and gentlemen. Behind me the Dhobi Ghat, and you see the washing, day washing clothes. It looks pretty nice and it's pretty clean, so I'm very happy to be here because never ever see like this before. You can see they wash the clothes here. It's just wow. And there are also pretty clean everywhere. Just on the top here you can see the plastic and trash as well, but otherwise it's pretty clean, and you can smell the fresh washing clothes. It's just wow. So this is it, guys. It's not too big as you see. Over there, here there is a train station and the skyscrapers. Wow. So welcome to Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, I just got some information behind me where they wash the clothes. They more than 5,000 people work and living here, and they rented that tubes for 300 rupees only for 1 month. Thank you, thank you. So there is working a lot of people, and they just live here as well. So it's just wow. So if you are here, I definitely recommend you to have a look and take a walk here, because it's very nice. Oh yes, and they make it by hand, just only 15%, and another 85% they do the by washing machine. They washing clothes by machine. So it's really interesting. So I like it. So if you are here, definitely highly recommend it to visit this side, Dhobi Ghat, the washing machine factory, not washing machine factory, laundry factory. They make it very well. It's nice. I like it. So see you very soon.